Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the skin1004 matrixyl 10 boosting shot ampule. This product retails for $28. This is designed as an anti-aging treatment, and the last product that I am trying from the skin1004 Labs in Nature collection. I haven't noticed this with the other formulas. This is the first one I'm filming since I have posted the niacinamide video. They do have a micro needling style delivery system to this that I didn't touch on in the niacinamide or the retinol video, but I wanted to touch on it in this one. It is the final one I'm trying. I didn't notice, and usually I do, I didn't notice any stinging, any tingling, anything with the delivery system. I just noticed it was working effectively, and so that's why I didn't touch on it. I didn't realize when I was filming the intro to the videos that that was the delivery system that it used. Through performance, I didn't notice it either, but it wasn't until someone brought it to my attention with a comment that that was what system these products use. I just wanted to bring that up. It wasn't something that I noticed or felt any stinging with my skin, but it may be because I've experienced no issue with those style of products in the past. Just be mindful. Also, this is an anti-aging product, so I'm not going to be able to testify for all the benefits of this. This review is coming from the perspective of a hydration serum because that is one of the main benefits they share with this, but I'm not able to testify for the anti-aging benefits. Definitely follow creators that are better suited to talk about those concerns to get that perspective from this product. I'm mainly just looking for a hydration benefit and also what else I noticed with it because they have soothing ingredients in here. Really excited to see how this booster performs from them. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in a recyclable packaging. They use a patented matrixyl 3000 peptide in this, along with hyaluronic acid and panthenol. Some amazing ingredients in here that look to not only help hydration, they have amazing peptides which have shown great skin benefits as well, and some balancing yet purifying ingredients that look to make up a very complex formula. Check out the full ingredients. You can click the link in the description to go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for include what benefits do I notice with it, how does this product feel on the skin, how does it perform. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. This is definitely the most milky serum out of all of the Labs in Nature collection. Super hydrating and has been leaving a really nice finish to the skin. You can see there the milky texture that it has. This is also the first one that I am talking about the delivery system with because honestly, didn't even feel that it had the spiracles in this. This is so gentle. If you have been wanting to try a boosting style product, I mean, I would recommend all three of these. They have a great delivery system to them, but this one specifically, I feel like anti-aging is going to be the main concern that's going to benefit from this, especially given the texture. It is so moisturizing, but not suffocating for the skin. It's just been a little bit much for my skin during the daytime. I'm trying it again just to see if I like it today, but it's more of a serum that shows longer term benefits when it comes to hydration. Haven't noticed any sensitivity, anything negative with my skin. And coming from using a hydrating serum that broke me out, I'm really glad that this one seems to be working really good for me. I just don't know if I'll be able to testify for all of the benefits from it. I'm just gonna go into it with an open mind and see. When you continue using it, you can see it doesn't leave much of a finish. It is very subtle, but it does get more hydrating the longer that I use it. So just be mindful if you are oily. I don't think you're gonna like this product. Definitely more of a dry skin product. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I don't feel like I'm the best to testify for all of the benefits of it. I do know this is the first product that I'm trying from this line where I was fully aware of the spiracles and the delivery system of this product. product. I don't know why it didn't click with me that a booster serum has that delivery to it. A wonderful delivery system to a hydration serum that I feel like is loaded with some pretty unique ingredients. It has the soothing properties of the Centella that kind of counteract any sensitivity that I've experienced from booster products in the past. Delivers some great anti-aging ingredients to the face. During this trial, I kind of realized that I'm approaching 25, which is when collagen production kind of starts to slow down, and I feel like this is going to be a great hydration serum that didn't cause any acne that will be great whenever I'm trying to be preventative with anti-aging. I also noticed some slight plumping benefits with this product, meaning I do feel like it would be a great anti-aging product. Very subtle, but I did enjoy the hydration that this serum delivered, and I felt like my skin was really thriving on this serum. It is a great delivery system, and if you've been wanting to incorporate a booster serum into your routine, but you haven't wanted to use any actives or any pore-reducing ingredients, I feel like I've often seen niacinamide and active-based ingredients in these booster formulas, and I do like that they took the matrixyl approach to this because I feel like it was very effective at hydrating the skin and also being a unique take on a booster serum. Finish-wise, it was a pretty thick serum, blended in really nice and dried down to leave practically no finish. So I feel like it was very neutral, very layerable. If you need to go in with more moisturizing products over this, you could, or you could just go for a simple routine and use this and just a standard ceramide moisturizer or any moisturizer that you like. I really enjoyed this product. It was a really great serum. I don't feel like I was able to fully testify for all of the benefits for it because it is more of an anti-aging style approach, but with those styles of products, I like to use them sometimes at night. I could use this both day or night, but it sometimes got a little too much for that. I could use this at night though to really boost the hydration of my other skincare products. I use this kind of close to my cleansing step and then would go in with other ingredients after that that were more rich and more restorative, and it left a really nice finish to my skin when I would wake up. That was my preferred way to use this product. Has a beautiful delivery system, a great addition to the Skin1004 collection. I feel like it's equal parts soothing and hydrating for the skin, and I feel like it would be intended with mostly anti-aging benefits in mind, but skin hydration benefits, it does have a unique delivery system to those ingredients. So I do feel like it is a great option, and I would 100% recommend trying out this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.